friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video once again we are talking about the Digibyte. What's the current price of Digibyte? What's the price it's occurred in the last 1 hour, in the last 1 day, in the last 1 week, and the DGB coin. In this video I will show you friends, and in this video we are also talking about the DGB coin. A lot of holders doing a very big mistake, so please don't do this mistake. If you do this mistake, so absolutely you are in the loss, and if you don't do this mistake, so absolutely you are in the profit. Be safe from this mistake and be safe from loss friends. Anyways, let's start the video friends and let's move on friends. So friends, as you can see now on the screen, in this time the Digibyte DGB price is 0.112264 USD dollar is the current price of the DGB coin. On the other side, if we look, the price changes occur in the DGB Digibyte. So the last 1 hour and the last 1 day and the last 1 week price change is going negative friends. The whole changes occur in the Digibyte is going falls down day by day, minute by minute, hour by hour. The price of the DGB coin is going down. What's the reason behind it? Why the price change is going fast down friends? Let's see the price chart for a better understanding for more details what's going in this time in a DGB coin. As you can see here friends, a continuously fast occur in the DGB coin from the previous last 1 week friends. Absolutely, that's a really bad news for all DGB coin holders. But as you can see now on the screen, the last 1 week price change is negative. That's not mean then you said Digibyte coin friends. That means then you have to hold Digibyte coin for the profit friends. If you want profit from the DGB coin, so you have to hold for profit friends, because if you sell it this time friends, so you are in the loss friends. So don't sell it at this time friends, don't do this mistake and don't sell it. And if you want to make a good amount of profit, so you have to hold it for a long time friends. Absolutely, that's surely that then you have to want a more amount of profit, then you want to profit from DGB coins, so you have to hold it when they reach to $1 or the price change become positive, so then you sell it for my friends. Now at this time you are the price change is negative, then if you sell it at this time, so you are in the loss. So please don't do this mistake and be safe from loss friends. I hope my prediction is that the future after a few hours or tomorrow is the jumping day of the Digibyte, and I hope that will give you good amount of profit in the future friends. I'm 100% sure that Digibyte will give you good amount of profit in the future if you hold Digibyte in this month friends. So in the last half month, Digibyte give you a very good amount of profit friends. What's your prediction? Please tell me in the comment box friends. And again, I'm telling you that please, if you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe every Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.